It has been a long time since I have seen my friends. I'm wondering if my friends still look the way that they used to look. It is sad that there are no photos that we have taken together this year. How about drawing my friends in my memory? So, I drew all my friends with different eyes, noses, mouths, and hairstyles. I wonder if my friends will be able to recognize themselves. Now I'm making a big shape with these faces. I drew dots on the paper to mark the spots that the faces should go. The faces have all gathered into a spiral. It would be nice to stick it on the wall near my desk, right? When I work at my desk, it would be nice to have this next to me because it makes me feel like my friends are sitting next to me. I hope to see you all soon.